Where you think you're going, huh?
No.
You gonna let me get on the fucking bed. Come here, little girl. I got something for you. You think you grown? You think you grown? Well, grown women got big responsibilities. They serve men. They please men. They give us whatever we want.
No.
Don't worry, I won't.
No.
We men got something that every woman loves, wants, needs. Definitely can't live without. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna make you feel real good. Take you to a place you ain't never been before. See, can't no little boy take you here. You need a real man to take you here. Baby, I'm a real man. Damn right. It's real as me fucking
No.
Go ask man.
No.
And let me show you
No.
what Daddy got for you.
No. No.
You gonna get this.